this and having fun with my bros. And it just reminded me why I love working out so much. 1 to 2 hours a day where you're not focused on nothing else. Not the food, not the woman, not anybody else, but my fucking self. And I really get to enjoy it and be in the moment.
The more you put into anything, the more you're going to get out. The longer you train, the more you eat, the more you sleep, the better results you're going to get. If I'm eating 12 meals a day, I'm training 3 hours a day, and I'm sleeping 10 hours a day, I'm going to get better fucking results than the guy that's training an hour a day, eating 6 meals a day, and sleeping 6 hours a day.